Morning students, this is Sarika Ahuja, your maths teacher from Bright Scholar Senior Secondary School, Sonepat. Welcome to Digital Learning. Today in this video, we are going to learn the ways of obtaining mod of ungrouped data. In class 9, you learned that mod is that value among the observation which occur most often, or I would say which has the maximum frequency. Now you can see that I have written the formula on the board and you all have to note it down in your notebooks. So let us take one example of finding out the mod. So I would request you to please take out your books. Exercise 14.2. Let us have question number 1 on the board to see the way of obtaining mod. So, exercise 14.2. I am going to take question number 1. So, first let us copy the table on the board. You all have to first copy the table on the board, and that is the first class interval is 5 to 15. 15 to 25, and it goes to 35 to 45, 45 to 55, and the last is 55 to 65. And here it is 6, 11, 21, 23, 14, and this is 5. So you can see that I have copied down the table on the board. So before starting our mod, let us first find out the model class. Now you're going to ask, ma'am, what is model class? Model class is that class interval which has the maximum frequency. I am repeating it again. Model class is that class interval which has the maximum frequency. Now you can see that here all the frequencies are written 6, 11, 21, 23, 14 and 5. Among these all, 23 is the maximum frequency. And the class interval of the maximum frequency is 35 to 45. So my model class, I have found it out, that is 35 to 45. Now first I have to find out L. L is the lower limit of model class. Model class is 35 to 45 and the lower limit is 35. So here my L is lower limit of model class. So what will be my L? Yes, it will be 35. So L is equal to 35. I am going to write side by side here. Next is H is equal to size of class interval. In my last video, in in step division method, I told you what is H. H is the difference between the upper limit and lower limit. So upper limit is 45. The lower limit is 35. So the difference between this limit is 10. That is H. Next is F1. Frequency of model class. Model class is 35 to 45 and the frequency of the model class is 23. So my F1 is equal to 23. Next, F0 or I would say F0, it is the same thing. Frequency of the class preceding the model class. F means frequency. This is my F1. Now F0 preceding. I think you have done your preceding, predecessor and successor in your junior classes also. Predecessor is the value which comes before the value and successor is the value which comes after the value. So this is your frequency F1. Predecessor will be the value before F1 and F2 is the value which will come after this value. So F0 will be your F0 will be 21. Last is F2. Frequency of the clap succeeding. Succeeding, successor is the same thing. So which is the succeeding value of 23? That is 14. So we have find out F2 also, that is equal to 14. So you can see that I have find out all the values on the board. Now only we have to apply the formula and we have to insert all the values in the formula. Let us write it. So once again I am writing all the formula. L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. L is equal to 35 plus F1. You can see what is my F1? 23. F0 is equal to 21. Next is 2F1, means whatever is the value of F1, it should be multiplied with 2. So F1 is 23. 23 multiplied by 2 is equal to 46. Minus F0. F0 is 21. F2 is 14. And what is my H? That is 10. You can see that all the values I have written on the board, just I have inserted in the formula. Now the part which is left, that is calculation part. Let us rub the board. Let us solve it. 35 plus 23 minus 21 is equal to 2. 46 minus 21 minus 14 is equal to minus 35 into 10. 35 plus 2. 46 minus 35, 11 into 10. 35 plus 2 multiplied by 10, 20 upon 11. Now I am going to take the LCM. The LCM of 1 and 11 is 11. In the top it will come 385 plus 20. When I am going to add it, it comes 405 upon 11. And when I divide 405 with 11, it is equal to 36.81. So this was all complete mod. So students, I hope you understand this concept. So your homework is to solve exercise 14.2, but be clear that there is no need to find out the mean in exercise 14.2 because you have enough practice mean in exercise 14.1. So your main focus should be on finding out the mod. If you have any query, you can contact my WhatsApp number. Thank you.